This is the newest model of the Amazon Kindle Colorsoft 16GB. It's the most advanced Kindle with a beautiful color display and an adjustable warm light. It also has a new feature called Page Color, which inverts the colors of the pages inside books to make reading in dark mode more comfortable. This is the ad-free version. Here are the top 7 reasons you're gonna love it. Number 1. Read in color. The new 7-inch Colorsoft display is high contrast and easy on the eyes. The paper-like color brings covers and content to life. 2. A brand new experience. The Kindle Colorsoft display is optimized for reading in color and is different than the Kindle Paperwhite display, which is optimized for black and white reading. Number 3. Color your pages. Highlight your favorite scenes in yellow, orange, blue, and pink. Number 4. Marathon reading. A single charge via USB Type-C lasts up to 8 weeks. 5. Read in any light. Adjust the display from white to amber to read in bright sunlight or in the dark. 6. Waterproof and worry-free. Take your stories by the pool, in the bath, or anywhere in between. And number 7. Massive selection. Instantly access over 15 million titles in the Kindle Store worldwide. Add a Kindle Unlimited subscription and get all-you-can-read access to a catalog, including bestsellers. Now there's a new feature that we just mentioned called Page Color. Let me show you how it works. Here I am in the Kindle app, and this is an ebook that I can read in the standard black and white mode. But if I go to the settings, go to Display Preferences and tap on Page Color, you can see it inverts the page from black to white to white to black. So instead of being stuck in dark mode, where everything is black and white, I can actually have it where the page is white and the words are black, so my eyes are much more comfortable reading this. And it's not just black and white that it does. If I go back into Page Color and tap on this, you can see I have a bunch of different options where I can change the background to be any color that I want and the words to be any color that I want. So I can really customize this reading experience. And you'll notice on the covers it says dark mode. Here I am in dark mode. But when I go into the book itself, you can see it's no longer in dark mode. The background is white and the words are black, but the images are still colored. So it doesn't turn the images black and white, only the text is inverted. If you're ready to start reading your favorite books in a whole new way, in a whole new color, literally, click the link below to get started.